Hello, Safety John with AIM Transportation Solutions bringing you this week's Safety Bulletin. This week's topic, wheel seals leaking. What do wheel seals actually do? What is their purpose? Number one, to keep lubricant, oil, or grease in and moisture, dirt, or contaminants out of the wheel end area. How can you identify a leaking wheel seal? Well, visually, you would look for wet areas of oil on the inner wheel, oil that is actively leaking on the ground, low oil levels by looking in the sight glass itself. What are risks when a wheel seal fails? Brake pad contamination, bearing seizure, and loss of a single or a dual wheel end, a wheel end fire, and if inspected, your vehicle being placed out of service. So driver managers, dispatchers, when talking to your drivers, it is critical for them to recognize and address a failure of a wheel seal when inspecting their vehicles on a daily basis. Bottom line, as the saying goes, a wheel end is only as good as the wheel seal it is running on.